Welcome to a journey over Peles Castle, a jewel of neo-Renaissance architecture nestled in the heart of the Carpathian Mountains in Sinaia, Romania. As our drone glides above, we are granted a bird's-eye view of this historic masterpiece, surrounded by lush forests that whisper tales of the past. Constructed between 1873 and 1914, Peles Castle was the beloved summer residence of King Carol I of Romania, designed to serve as a sanctuary for royalty and a beacon of art and culture. Its majestic silhouette, with ornate turrets and gabled roofs, reflects an era of grandeur and sophistication. One cannot discuss Peles Castle without mentioning its modern innovations for the time, such as electric lighting, central heating, and even a central vacuum system, underscoring the blend of beauty and technology. Beyond its architectural splendor, Peles Castle stands as a symbol of Romanian heritage, attracting visitors from around the globe. It has witnessed historical events, hosted dignitaries, and inspired countless artists and writers with its enchanting beauty. Thank you for joining us on this aerial voyage over Peles Castle, a treasure of Romania and a masterpiece for the world to behold.